Hello everyone! Welcome back to Bonjour Cuisine, where you find all the best, healthy, delicious, mouth-watering food recipes on YouTube. Today guys, I am going to share with you how to make this delicious garlic honey chicken breast that you're going to love. It's super delicious and pretty simple to follow. So let's get started with this recipe. I am going to use garlic, chili flakes, pepper to give it some heat, black pepper, salt, butter, honey of course, and red wine vinegar. Normally you would use soy sauce for this recipe, but if you are allergic, you can definitely alternate it with the red wine vinegar. And what I'm doing here, I am seasoning up the chicken, pretty simple, with salt and pepper. And you can go ahead and generously season it up with the salt and pepper. And the next thing I'm going to do is use a non-stick skillet for this process. Now, once the skillet is nice and hot, go ahead and melt the butter. And of course, I would not recommend for you to use your finger, just definitely use a spatula. So now the next thing I did is, once the butter is nice and melted, I added the chicken, and I'm going to brown the chicken from both sides. And I'm not really sure if I did mention that earlier. You definitely need to season up the chicken on both sides, okay guys? Both sides, remember to do that, salt and pepper on both sides. Now I'm browning the chicken nice and well, and I am going to add the garlic, minced garlic, all right, and I'm going to let it do its thing. And also I just want to quickly take a moment to say hello to everyone. Hello to all the new subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to subscribe to Bonjour Cuisine. On here I share life topics, the gospel, recipes, anything that I feel that on my heart that I need to share with all the people who are watching this channel. It will be super useful to you guys mentally, spiritually, emotionally. I am doing my best to pour into you, especially the young people on this channel. So definitely, if you are new, consider to subscribe. You'll find tons of beautiful contents on here. So now the next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, the garlic is nice and brown. I'm adding the honey. I'm adding a generous amount of honey, and I am going to add the red wine vinegar. If you are using soy sauce, you can definitely go ahead and add it at this point, but if you're not using soy sauce, you definitely need to add the red wine vinegar, which is what I'm using for this recipe. And what else I'm going to do? I am going to cover it up and let it simmer on low heat, you guys. Oh my gosh, the kitchen smells super delicious. Like, I cannot wait for this to be over. So in the meantime, I'm going to chop some parsley, and also I am going to add the chili flakes pepper at the end. Okay, so now as you can see, this is coming out so beautiful. It's super delicious. I can tell you, if you try this recipe, you're going to love it. For those of you who are in Massachusetts or New Hampshire, I am providing catering service, personal chef services, so definitely reach out to me. Also, I do provide cooking classes, so if you would like to know more about these services, definitely send me an email at bonjourcuisinellc@gmail.com. As you can see guys, this is super delicious, right? So definitely give it a try. If you have any questions for me, please put your comment in the comment box below. I'll definitely try my best to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon with more videos. Bye.